So we are here at Beleza by the beach. Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel Colva Beach. This is Vignesh. We just checked into Beleza by the beach and this is our room 513. I just wanted to take you on the room tour. Soon after we are here, the room is like fresh and neat. So let's quickly get in. Awesome, it is locked from inside. Well, that's the room. So here is a king-sized bed and some nice lighting out there. There's a TV. Yashu wants the TV on, but she is fiddling around with the AC remote. Is that AC remote? Oh no, it's the TV remote only. And here is a wardrobe and a mini bar with some munchies and not bad. But all of this is chargeable. Let's see what's there inside this. Okay. So you get a kettle and some nice cute looking mirror here. And that's a big one. Now the bathroom. It's tiny little bathroom, but it looks nice. And then finally here we have a sit out here, a nice sofa, and here we go. So that's the view from the room and the door is right here. Okay. A cute little sit out area facing the paddy fields. Amazing, isn't it? Our room is almost at the end of the resort and you get a very nice view of the paddy fields here, and there is a woodpecker, I think. You see that? Hey, that's actually a woodpecker, huh? Theridanga. Okay, I don't know, there's a bird there. The long tail. How do you like the property? This is a 4-star property and you have a private access to the beach. That's called the Betalbatim beach, which is very close to Colva. So that's the prime thing about this particular location. We wanted to stay here for a day because, you know, the other property where we were before was not so close to the beach. We wanted to spend some time at the beach itself, hence why, you know, we chose this particular place. Chinne, you might trip and fall, da. Come, go inside. So today the plan is no going around. We'll just go to the beach, have some fun at the swimming pool, and chill and relax. That's all we want to do today. One second. Okay, done. Come. From the property, this is the way to the beach. And Yashu is all ready with her beach accessories. You can see that the path to the beach is really nice. You see the good canopy on top all the way till that end there. பேசன் மணி பேசு இல்லை இல்லை இப்போ யாஷு தான் பேசுது பேசு நீங்கள் பேசுங்க நான் பேசணுமா ஓகே பட்டர்ஃப்ளை தான் பிக் பட்டர்ஃப்ளை போச்சு கம் 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 அது அந்த பக்கம் போயிடுச்சு சரி வா Okay, so the Goa trip is coming to an end. We are leaving back to Bangalore today. Checking out of Beleza by the beach. Wonderful property. We spent one nice day here. Didn't do anything else apart from chilling at the property and at the beach. It was fun. Nice food, nice stay, nice and cozy stay it was. So that's about it, guys. Hope you liked the video. If you liked it, you know what to do. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Meet you all in the next one. Until then, bye bye, take care, peace. Karla pogana pinna enga ponom enga polam walk பண்ணி எங்க போலாம் ஹோட்டலுக்கா வீட்டுக்கு போலாம் she wants to stay here and doesn't want to go back home
வேற ஹோட்டல் போலாம் வேற ஹோட்டல் போயிட்டு மம்மம் சாப்பிடலாம்